As summer heats up, it's time to hang out outside. But what's the best way to maintain your patio furniture? Those questions and much more answered coming up. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers, or anyone for that matter, will find irresistible. We've invested in our backyard to extend our entertaining area. From dining to swimming to conversing, we've got it all. It's important to find the right furniture to add function and comfort in your outdoor space. We have a variety of pieces that set the scene, varying in price and quality, but they all have one thing in common: they're easy to care for. This outdoor patio chat set from Threshold at Target is hand-woven from all-weather wicker. It was easy to assemble and creates an intimate conversation area in our front yard as we watch the world pass by. Our side yard hosts alfresco dining and a garden view. This is the original dining set we purchased for this property nearly 15 years ago. The swivel chairs broke years ago, and we replaced them with these all-weather wicker chairs from Pier 1 Imports. We recently repainted this set, and I'll put a link to that video and all of these products below. The next seating area in our yard is near the pool. This sofa, ottoman, chaise, and coffee table fire pit are from Frontgate. I love using furniture that has dual purpose, like this coffee table that keeps us warm on cooler evenings, or this beverage ottoman that sits center stage in the conversation area to keep our drinks cool and within reach. We saved money on the side tables and even the bar chairs, which are from Amazon.com. We looked for items with similar materials to match up to the Frontgate furniture. Across the way, we added another small seating area, the Sun from Pier 1 Imports. You can soak up rays or chat with others in the pool. Full disclosure though, the convertible umbrella rusted and broke after the first season. We also have another dining area on the deck. This set was from Home Depot. We love the built-in fire pit. Once we power wash the outside of our property, and you can find a video on that below, we clean and set up the furniture for a soiree. Because of our furniture's materials and durability, we initially clean the pieces with the power washer on a low flow setting to get rid of dirt, grime, and cobwebs. Clean all sides of the furniture piece, especially underneath. You can also use Windex outdoor glass and patio furniture. Connect it to your hose and spray down the furniture. Use a soft scrub brush to remove tough stains. Patio cushions should be cared for as well. Use 1 teaspoon of mild dish soap, such as Dawn, a teaspoon of borax or OxyClean, and 1 quart of warm water. Let the solution sit on the fabric for a few minutes, but don't allow it to dry completely. Finally, spray down with a hose and let dry. We hose down our furniture and cushions as needed throughout the season to keep them looking clean. Another great tip to protect your cushions is put them away after use or before inclement weather happens. Also, protect your furniture with covers or shrink wrap when the season is over. So get out and enjoy those longer sunny days. For another outdoor video, go check out this one next. Don't forget to subscribe below. And for more home tips, you can check us out at www.toritoth.com. Until next time, happy decorating.